Alright, so I'm going to be solving question number 12 on page 48. And this one is a race between a tortoise and a hare. And the tortoise starts the race by going 0.1 meters per second. And he goes at that same speed the entire way through the race. The hare, on the other end, goes 20 times as fast as the tortoise. So 0.1 meters per second times 20 is equal to 2 meters per second. And the hare takes a break for 2 minutes. And after the break, he starts moving again. But he finishes 20 centimeters behind the tortoise. And so to find A, which is the time it took to finish the race, you would do the distance of the hare minus the distance of the tortoise. Distance of the hare is equal to the distance of the tortoise minus 0.2 meters. That's 27 meters, but I converted it to meters. And so from here, what you need to do is find what the distance for the hare would be. So for the distance of the hare, since distance is equal to velocity times time, distance of the hare would be the velocity of the hare times time minus the 2 minutes he took as a break, which I've converted to seconds. And that is going to be equal to the velocity of the tortoise times time minus 0.2 meters. And so from here, we distribute that. So it's velocity of the hare times time minus velocity of the hare times 120 equals velocity of the tortoise minus 0.2 meters. So it's 2t minus 120 equals 0.10 t minus 0.2 meters. So from here, it's going to be 2t minus 240 equals 0.1 t minus 0.2 meters. And that's 1.9 t is equal to 240 minus 0.2 meters. And I forgot the units. This one is meters, so it's 1.9 t is equal to 239.8 meters. So t, the time it took to finish the race, would be 126.21 seconds. That is the answer for A. Now, to find B, you have to find the distance traveled for the race. Velocity is equal to distance over time. So from here, we're going to turn that into distance is equal to velocity times time. And we're going to plug the numbers in for the tortoise, because the tortoise finished the race fully in one go. So the distance is equal to 0.10 meters per second, 0.1 meters per second, that's the velocity of the hare, times 126.21 seconds, that's this time we got earlier, and that equals 12.6 meters per second. And that is B. And that's how you solve number 12.